Imagine turning every single purchase into a bundle of sales without lifting a finger. ShopLentor's Smart Cross-sell Popup module shows perfectly timed product recommendations that boost sales and reduce cart abandonment. It's the smartest way to turn one purchase into multiple orders without annoying your customers. Getting started is simple. Go to ShopLentor, Settings, Modules. Enable the Smart Cross-sell Popup module and save. Customize triggers. Choose when the pop-up appears, after add to cart, exit intent, time delay, scroll, or before checkout. Select which products to recommend: cross-sells, upsells, related items, or custom choices. Set your pop-up design. Adjust width, colors, and button styles to match your brand. Why it works: increase average order value by 31%, reduce cart abandonment by 24%, drive impulse purchases with relevant recommendations, deliver a seamless, personalized shopping experience, mobile-friendly design that looks great everywhere. Shop owners using Smart Cross-sell Popups see more sales, better customer engagement, and stronger revenue growth, all with minimal setup. Ready to boost your WooCommerce sales with intelligent recommendations? Activate the Smart Cross-sell Popup module in ShopLentor today and start turning every sale into a bigger one.